Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a notary business website. The platform that you'll be using is none other than Wix Website Builder. With Wix, you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. You're going to go onto wix.com, then you're going to tap on Get Started. After selecting Get Started, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you can choose to sign up with your email address, your Google account, or your Facebook account. After you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. On this dashboard, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner and select Create New. After selecting Create New, you will be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Build on the Wix editor right here. After selecting that, I want you to tap right where you see Set Up Without Chat. After selecting Set Up Without Chat, on the search bar, you're going to type in Notary, and you can see it right here, Notary Office. You're going to tap right there. Then you will tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you will be redirected to your website dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll be able to add in your business name. So for example's sake, I'm just going to call it Notary. So I'll type it in right here. Then you could add in your business address and tap on Continue. After doing that, you can add your working hours. So let's say, for example, you will be available 5 days per week from Monday to Friday. You can set the time. So let's say from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. and we're going to tap on Continue. After you have done that, you can see some example services that notary offices tend to offer. So for example, will drafting, notary services, initial consultation, legal consultation. Any one of these services that you offer, you could select it. And if it is a case that you don't see a service that you would like to offer, you could tap on Create New Service at the bottom right here and enter the new service. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue once more. Then from here, you could add in your staff member's name and you can also add in their email address. After doing that, you're going to tap on Continue. Then from here, you can choose whether you like to offer virtual sessions, accept online payments, or if you would like to get the app, you can do that. Then you'll tap on Continue, then select Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, you'll be redirected to this page. Now, to continue setting up the services that you have added, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, hover over Catalog, then you will tap on Booking Services. After selecting Booking Services, you can see right here, for example, Initial Consultation. We could tap on Edit. After selecting Edit, you could change the image if you want. You can change the name of the service. You can also change the duration, as you can see right here. And you can also, if you want to add a pricing plan, you can do it right here in this section. You can leave it as free, or you could add a pricing plan if you want, or you can add a fixed price or varied price. It is completely up to you. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. So that's basically it. And you can do that and edit each service. After you're finished, in the future, you will tap on Booking Calendar from the top left hand corner to view your calendar when someone has scheduled your notary service. So you'll be able to view it right here. And you can also manually add services if you want, and you can also add staff members right here. Now, to continue setting up your website, you'll tap on Setup in the top left hand corner. Then tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. Once you have tapped on Pick a Template, you'll be redirected to this page. And you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down until you have seen a template of your liking, or you could tap on the search bar and you could continue searching. Normally, I would select one of the best matches. So let's say, for example, this one. You're going to tap on Edit. After selecting edit, you'll just give it a few seconds while the website is being rendered in the background. Once it is up and running, I'll show you how to continue editing your website. Once here, you could tap on the search bar or the box right here and you could type in some information, and then the Wix AI would compose content that can be added to your website. But normally I would just close the box, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Now this is how your website looks, and it is quite easy to edit. All you'll need to do is tap on the section that you would like to change. So let's say for example the name in the top left hand corner. I'll tap on the current name that is there, then tap on edit text. After tapping on edit text, I could type in whatever I want. So for example, let's say I were to type in Jason tutorials, I can type that in right there. I could also change the name right here if I want, and then you can also change the icon if you want. So if you would like to change the icon, you can do that. Just select edit text once more, and I could change the icon. And you can continue editing it by just hovering over any section you'd like to change. So let's say we would like to change the image. We can select the current image, then tap on change image. After you have selected change image, you could tap on upload media in the top left hand corner, and you could upload a picture. Or you could tap on media from Wix, and then you'll be able to use copyright free pictures. So for example, I could type in man right there. Then I'll be provided with numerous copyright free pictures that I can use, as you can see right there. So let's say we were to use this pic, then tap on choose image. You can see that the image has changed. Then you could also continue editing the text by selecting the text and tapping on edit text. If it is a case that you would like to add a button or anything at all to your website that you don't see, you can go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the plus which says add elements. Then from there you can see the different elements that you can quickly add. And by the way, to view all the pages that are currently on your website, you will tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is pages. And this is where you'll be able to view all the pages. So you can see the sign up and login page right here. You can see the booking page. So we could select booking page and you can get a preview of how it looks. And you can also see the booking form page right here. So you can see how it looks right there. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner and your website will be live. You can see it right there. And to book the service, all they'll need to do is tap on book now. Then from here, they could tap on the calendar and choose the date that they would like to schedule for, and also choose the time. Then tap on next and enter in their information. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.